Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain how to convert uppercase character into lowercase and lowercase character into uppercase. For that, first we need to understand what are the ASCII values of characters. ASCII character set we need to understand. See, if it is a capital A value, that ASCII value is a 65 and B ASCII value is a 66 and so on, that capital Z ASCII value is 90. And in the same way, right, if you check that small a ASCII value is 97, small b ASCII value is 98, and so on, small c ASCII value is 99, right? Here it is a small z ASCII value is 122. Now, if you understand, so what is the difference? Suppose here, if you check the difference between, right, a small a and capital A is nothing but plus 32. Capital A value is a 65. So whenever you are adding 32 to 65, right, you will get the value is 97. In the same way, suppose here it is a small b. And here, if you want to check, if you want to convert that small b into capital B, and again here the difference is minus 32. 98 minus 66. See, what we need to understand here, to the capital letter, if you are adding 32, will become that small letter, right? To the small letter, right? If we do minus 32, will become the capital letter, right? But one thing we need to understand, after conversion, you need to convert. See, here it is. If I'm taking one character ch is equals to, suppose capital A I'm taking. To the capital A, nothing but to the ch, I'm adding the value is 32. Ch plus 32, 97. The result again I'm storing into ch, into the character, and we are printing. System.out.println, that ch we are printing. Here you will get one error message. What is the error message? Same incompatible type conversions. Why it is giving this error message means, character and integer will return that integer value, not character. So that integer directly you cannot assign to character. We already discussed that you need to cast into which type is a character type, char of ch plus 32, char of ch plus 32. To the character capital A, we are adding the value is 32. So value become 97, but 97 will be in an integer format. That integer again we need to convert into the character, so that 97 corresponding character will store into the same variable I am storing. I don't want to take another variable. I don't want to waste the memory, and printing that small a. The same thing if you apply here. See here, small a I am giving. Now we need to perform, right? Or for example, here it is a small m I am taking. Right here it is a ch minus 32. Ch minus 32. Small m minus 32 will give that value capital M. That capital M character we are printing. See, when we execute, it will display that value is a capital M. So the simple way, how can we convert that lowercase character to uppercase and uppercase character to lowercase? Uppercase character converting into lowercase means what? You have to add plus 32. That lowercase character, if you want to upper to the, means what, convert to the uppercase, then we need to add, we need to subtract 32. Plus 32 and minus 32. So this is the way we are converting uppercase to lowercase and lowercase to uppercase in Java. Hope you understood. Thank you all.